Hey girl, today I'm partnering with Tap Brow to teach you how to take your eyebrows from this to this. If you want to create fuller, natural looking eyebrows and transfer proof, then keep watching. I'm going to begin by using the Micro Precision pen. This one is in the color brown. There are 6 shades available. I like to start by creating my shape, so I outline the bottom of my eyebrow. Once I have done so, I'm going to go in very light-handed and start to fill in above the line. This pen is very pigmented and it also does not dry down quickly, which is something that I love. It is so easy to use and I really love that it creates hair-like strokes because it just blends in naturally with my hair. The less pressure that I use with this pen, the more natural the eyebrow hairs start to look. So it is important for me to go in very light-handed, especially in this beginning portion of my eyebrow. And if I want more intensity, then I just add more pressure. Now moving over to the Ultra Defining Brow Gel. This one is also available in 6 different shades. You can definitely use this on its own to create fuller, natural looking eyebrows without any filling in. But today I'm going to be using it to thicken out my brow hairs and also just have control over my eyebrows. This formula is also waterproof and it visibly thickens and shapes and grooms your eyebrows in place. This is the finished result of me using both of these products together. Some of the claims of both of these products is that they are both transfer proof. So I really wanted to put that to the test and show you guys of me trying to smudge it out. So let's do that. What? Okay, Tap Brow, you did that. I'm in love with these eyebrows. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are down below in the comments. If you guys would like to shop these products, I'm going to have them linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much to Tap Brow for partnering up with me in today's video. I thank you guys for your time and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.